Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video I am sharing with you a lots of beautiful nail art designs. Different type of nail art designs are shared. As you can see, different shapes and different seasonal like winter nail art, summer nail art, and wedding nail art, autumn nail art, and much more ideas related to nail art designs are shared in today's video. Hope so you will like and enjoyed my today's video. So don't skip, watch till the end. Beautiful and cute nail art designs, as you can see, luxury nail art designs, and different ideas are shared. So friends, if you like these ideas, then hit the like button, and if you want to see much more ideas related to nail art and you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. I have shared lots of beautiful, a huge collection of nail art designs. I have shared wedding nail art, occasional nail arts, and much more ideas. For back-to-back videos, you can check them in my playlist that I have shared with the name of nail art designs. And also tell me about today's video in the comment section. And if you have any kind of demand related to nail art designs, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. So friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. I have shared a lots of beautiful clothing ideas on my channel. Stylish, different countries street style fashion like London street style fashion, Milan, Italian, Greek, French, and Germany street style fashion are shared. Don't forget to watch my those ideas, and don't forget to comment below their videos. Beautiful and gorgeous, different type of nail art designs, different shapes, different occasional and casual, cute, and beautiful soft nail art designs are shared in today's video. As you can see, I have shared different type of and different ideas related to nail art designs. Friends, if you want to see haircuts, I have shared a lots of beautiful haircuts on my channel. Different ages women's haircuts like over 30, over 50, over 40, and over 60. Women's haircut, pixie bob haircuts, and different much more ideas are shared. Don't forget to watch, and a lots of beautiful party wear outfit, night and evening dresses, and much more ideas. If you like these ideas, then hit the like button, and now let me say to take care. Bye bye.